after opening Excel, the first step is to save your file, give it a name. You can save it in either the C drive or on your desktop, but just know where you're putting it. You can create a new folder if you want to. You could give that folder name like Project Lead the Way, or you could just save the file by giving it a new name. Second step is going to be to put in your data. And then when you have your data in, you're going to click on the column that is B, and then you're going to go into the Insert menu and find the Statistics, and click on the arrow so that you can find the Box and Whiskers chart. There it is. And then you're going to give your chart a new name.